Dear team, we have launched uh, the user window for the cluster. So we have activated the cluster login also. Now you can use SMS system for the cluster login. For cluster, you need a 10-digit cluster code. Okay. This is the UDICE cluster code which can be used for the login to the SMS system on BSK. Okay. So the default username and password is this cluster code. Okay. So just go to the cluster by entering the username and password, the cluster code. Click on cluster login and click login. Okay. Let me try again. I have clicked the school login. So yeah, cluster login. So once you click the cluster login, this registration page will appear. You should register on using this page to work in uh, VSK. Okay. Write your WhatsApp number, enter your password, okay, and submit it. Once you submit it, it will take you directly to the home page. Now again you log in by entering the cluster code and enter the new password and then click cluster login. Okay. Once you do that, just see the cluster of this Mamit district, Mamit block. This is the cluster name, Mamit. Mamit is a cluster name. Okay. So you just use this, and these are the options available at the cluster login. Okay. The same option which is available in the block login. You can generate the report for registration TMS. This is report shows that list of schools, list of teachers or schools registered on TMS. So you can see the school list of this particular cluster. There are total teacher in this school registered on TMS1. Okay. So still 73 teachers remaining to register on the TMS system. Okay. Just go to the correction status for teachers, the list of schools who they have not corrected the teachers. Let's see, it will show you. Okay. If you see the TMS, the corrected list which have already been corrected for the cluster, you can download it. The teachers available in your cluster, the list, you can export it using this option. Okay. You just go and check the student summary for the correction. This is the student summary, verification pending. Okay. Just see there are 847 students which is pending, still pending, totality. And for the government schools, just see these are the government schools. Okay. So you have to look into it. Okay. If you see the next option is education profile, you can check the education profile, how many primary schools, medical, middle school, secondary, senior secondary. There is zero enrollment. You can see because they have not marked enrolled using these schools. So you can monitor it. Which are those schools which have not corrected their data? These the schools having zero enrollment means these schools have not corrected their data using the TMS. Okay, you can go for student list also. Okay, You can generate the teacher list also like this. Okay. You can see the attendance status summary. See, this is only two schools which have marked the attendance. Rest have not been marked in cluster Mohammed. Okay. So you have to monitor it. These are the school list. If you see the attendance, if you filter it, just see. These are the Mohammed. Okay. Here you can see the teacher status and the marking attendance for teacher. Just see the zero part. Only 116 teacher have marked the attendance. So using this system, you would be monitoring your cluster. Okay. So kindly look into it and speed up to update the progress. Okay. Thank you.